upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of it. Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready I will fly us out of it.
Woo! Look at this! Check this place out. This place is kind of sketchy. Pretty sure there's a hobo that lived here, and there's about 30 pounds of raccoon shit everywhere. Hobo den. And this barn's pretty cool. Check this out. There's a little courtyard. And look at all this poop. Look at all that poop. That's a crazy amount of poop. It's just a sea of poop. There's a bunch of random holes here, which is kind of cool. Hole 2, which goes down into the basement where I was. I'm gonna whoop this. Oh, that's how you make it go.
Well, I commandeered Jared's camera. Is he whooping? Let's find him. Where is he? Well, now I'm vlogging. I'm making a vlog for you. So, hey guys, Pixel FPV here. We came to whoop on this barn, and it's not unlike many other barns in that it was built out of wood. There's also holes that you could fall down into, a feather. There's also other stuff going on. Yes, check out my website. It's www.killerblogger/awkward handshake/// Actually, it's written out backslash BACKSLASH, then / an actual /. Let's see if we can't get some flea vision in here. Oh yeah. Yep. Getting bit by fleas. Be gone. Ah!
Often I'm upset that I cannot fall in love, but I guess this avoids the stress of falling out of it. Are you tired of me yet? I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready I will fly us out of it. Strangely, he feels at home in this. Often fly us out of it.